So my name's Arie Spyksma. I'm a research fellow at University of Auckland. I'm based up in Lee at the Lee Marine Lab. So my research focuses on understanding how humans impact our reef ecosystem. So looking at the impacts of overfishing and climate change on kelp forest dynamics and kind of what causes it and how we can hopefully manage it into the future. One of the ways that we try to evaluate these reefs is through using underwater imagery. And this is a really useful tool for gathering information quickly over large spatial scales. But the problem is it's really slow to process once you start getting tens of thousands of images. So having some artificial intelligence or machine learning tools that can take those images, recognise where sea urchins are, recognise the state of the reef, takes away a lot of that need for manual image annotation. So we can really speed up our analysis and get the information we need out there much more quickly. Part of the funding that we received was to make the machine learning models that we're developing open source, which means that they're open and they're there for everyone to build on. The impact of climate change on rocky reef ecosystems and the role that sea urchins play in this is not restricted to our part of the world. North America, Europe, they're all experiencing similar issues around rocky reef degradation and overabundant sea urchin species. The tools that we're developing have a lot of value on a more global scale. I feel very privileged to be able to spend my time in the water and really get to understand it so that hopefully this information can go out to everyone and make it as widely understood as possible.